Okay. Now, as we started on Sunday, our lesson was talking about how to measure the angles. Okay. Now, we said that if we have two lines, if we have two rays that they are intersecting at a point, this point we call it a vertex. And we have, these are the two rays are the hands of the angles. How? And we classified the angle by its measure. We say that if the angle is between 0 and 90, it's an acute. If it is equal 90, it is a right. If it is greater than 90, less than 180, it's obtuse. If it is equal 180, it's straight. And if it's greater than 180, what we call it? Reflex. Thank you. We solve these questions now. Now, all of you, please open your book, page 10, exercise number 23. Here, as you see, we have an angle A, B, D, and D, B, C. So here we have two angles. The first one is A, B, D. Okay. Okay, exercise number, okay, I'm sorry, exercise number 23. Did you find it? Okay, so now here we have an angle ABD and an angle DBC. The measure of the angle ABD is 4x minus 2. And the measure of the angle DBC is 3x plus 2. So on this question, we gotta now connect between algebra and geometry. And they told me, find the measure of the angle ABD and the angle of DBC. If you know that the measure of the angle ABC is 77 degrees. Is it clear? Okay, how can I start? Who can give me the idea? Yes, can you come on the microphone and tell me? Yes? So what do you have to do? 4x minus 2 plus? Equals what? 77. So why do you add them together? Why do you add them together? What's the relation between ABD and DBC? Between ABD and DBC, what's the relation between them? Are they adjacent angles? Yeah, they are adjacent. And as we said, if we have an angle, okay, like this as an example, if this is 40 degree and this is 50 degree, when you add them together, you get an 90 degree. So as you say now, in order to find the measure of the angle, you have to add 4x minus 2 plus 3x plus 2 equals the greater one, which is 77. So 4x minus 2 plus 3x plus 2 equals what? 77. Now, for this step, is it clear? Why did I add them together? Yes. Now, let's now add them together here. 4x minus 2 plus 3x plus 2 equals 77. Then what do you have to do now? Who can remind me? Tamara? Tamara? Yes, Tamara. Together, bravo. 4x plus 3x together. And then negative 2 plus what? Okay, just a minute, please. Okay, so 4x plus 3x minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 equals 77. So Tamara combined the like terms with each other. Now let's Tamara continue now. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Negative 2 plus 2 bravo. So it's gonna be negative 2 plus 2. It's what? 0. Bravo. Equals 77 degree. Now then, 7x plus 0, you can say that it is 7x. Equals 77. Now next, 7x. So what happened here with the variable x? Is it added or multiplied? Bravo. So we're gonna divide by 7 and down and here 7. Bravo. So x will be 11. Thank you. So this is the value of x. Thank you, Tamara. Is it clear, girls? Do you have any question? Okay, I will give you now 2 minutes in order to finish writing because I want to clear to continue. Because they didn't ask me to find x, they asked me to find the measure of the angles. Yeah, I will let you answer. Stay beside the microphone. Sorry? Once you finish writing, please tell me. Now, did you finish writing? Okay. Now, before I clear, do you have any question? Okay. So now here, the question didn't ask me to find x. He asked me to find the measure of the angles. And as I told you, if you see any algebra questions, you have to find x, then substitute. So here now, so now we found before that x is 11. Now next, what is the measure of the angle ABD? Yes, please. Yes, girls, what is the measure of the angle ABD? Yes, Maria.
I think teacher will
No, I want ABD only. ABD is 4x minus 2. Minus what? You don't know. You said it is an expression. It is on a 4x minus 2. So how you'll find the measure of the angle ABD? Why? Come, Maria, come back. Miss, wait, just a minute. Maria. Come back. Come back, Maria. Why you didn't get it? See now, did you understand from where we bring x equal 11? Do you know, did you answer now from where we bring x equal 11? The previous step. Okay. And okay, from where we bring it? No. That's not what I mean. I mean here, because when you add these two angles together, okay, you get the bigger one. Okay. No, but this I did it before. And by using it, we found that x is 11. Now I want you now to find exactly what is the measure of ABD. If you know that it is 4x minus 2, what you have to do? I told you now. In algebra, you have to find x. Then what do you have to do? Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to substitute. Okay, now who wants to answer now? Yes, Habiba. So we have to substitute x, bravo. So 4 times 11 minus, bravo, 4. Bravo, thank you so much. So the measure of the angle ABD is 42 degrees. Now, thank you, Habiba. Now, Mayar. Mayar? Yes, Maria, come here, please. Come to the microphone. What you didn't exactly didn't understand? Okay, see, if you have an algebra questions, as I told you, you have to find x, then you have to substitute. Okay, substitute what? Substitute x. Where is x here? It's multiplied by 4. Yeah, here in this expression, it's multiplied by 4. So 4 times 11, continue, yalla, minus what? Minus 2. 4 times 11, 44, minus 2, 42. That's it. Okay, you're welcome. Now, Mayar, Yes, Mayar. What is the measure of the angle DBC? Just a minute, please. So the measure of the angle DBC is 3x plus 2. So what you have to do now? Bravo. So you have substitute 11. So it's going to be 35 degrees. Thank you, Maria. Now, Maria, how did you check that if your answer is correct or no? Yeah. What do you mean? No. I mean, how did you see that? Or how did you check that your answer is correct? If you know that, if this is 35 and this is 42, how did you check that your answer is correct? Bravo. That's it. Yes, that's it. If you add 42, yeah, see, girls, you must add 42 with 35. If their summation is 77, so my solution is correct. Okay, that's okay. Did you understand it, girls, now? Do you have any question? Yes. Sorry? No, you have to do all these steps in order to find the measure of the angles. Okay. Did you finish writing? Okay. Now next, number 24. Find the measure of the angle ABD and DBC if ABC is 140. The same question, the same steps. ABD is 4x minus 8. DBC is 3x plus 8. And when you add them together, it is 140. So how you will find the measure of the angle ABD? Oh, first, yes, please. Bravo. So first, you have to add, since as we said, if they are adjacent, so the summation of the two angles will equal the greater one. So 4x minus 8 plus 3x equals 140. Thank you. Then so 4x plus 3x, the combined, the like term, put them together, and negative 8 plus 8, I mean like you have to put these two terms, 4x and 3x together, and negative 8 plus 8, you have to put them together, the like terms together. Yes, continue now. (7x) Bravo, because thank you. So it's 7x plus 0 equals 140. So 7x is 140. So x will be 20. Thank you so much. So x will be 20. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, Jury. But okay, but after Jury, where's Jury? Yes, yes. Or Jury Awad, anyone. Yalla, okay, Jury 5. It's okay. Yes, Jury, yalla. ABD. Hi.
Okay.
What is the measure of the angle ABD? What do you have to do? Look at the expression that represent ABD. Which one? Which expression? A, B, D. This one. Okay? Which expression represent ABD? Is it 3x plus 8 or 4x minus 8? Bravo. It's 4x minus 8. Then next, what do you have to do?
We have
I told you in algebra, after you find x, what do you have to do? No, you have to do something with x. Girls, every time after you find x, you have to substitute. That's it. Yalla, continue, Juri, now. Substitute x here. What's the value of x that you found it before? Your friend told you that x is 20. So how you will find ABD? You have to substitute x with 20. Is it right? So yalla, 4 times minus 8. Minus 8. Okay. What do you have to do first? Do you have to multiply or subtract? Multiply first. Remember the order of operations. We taught it in grade 5, girls. So first you have to multiply. 4 times 20. 80. Minus 8. 72. Thank you. So the measure of the angle ABD is 72. Thank you. Now next, Nada. Yes. Yes, Nada. Hello, Nada. Yes, Nada. From where you now, what is the measure of the angle DBC?
substitute x equals 20.
So you have to use this expression, okay?
16.
So 3x plus 8. 3 times 20. Bravo. Plus equals 68 degree. Thank you. Now, Nada, how can you check if your solution is correct or not? Bravo. They must be. Bravo. You must add 68 plus 72, and their summation must equal 140. Is it clear, girls? Yes. Because the value of number 23 was 11, but here it was 20. The x it's a variable. It's changed according to the question. Okay. Is there any question? Yes, this is if you want to check your answer. Did you finish writing now? Okay. Now here, this is an extra question. In the diagram here, the measure of the angle XYZ is 140. Okay, what is the value of X? All the other girls? طب C. Okay, call Yasmin. Call Yasmin. Yes, Yasmin. Here, the measure of the angle XYZ. Okay, just a minute, please. This one here, XYZ, is given as 140. Okay? And knowing that the measure of the angle WYZ is 80. What is the value of X? See, let's start with you step by step now. The measure of the angle XYZ is 140. Can you tell me now, angle XYZ, it is which two angles? When you add them together, you get XYZ. Name the angles. I want you to name the angles. XYZ. It contains two angles. When you add them together, you get XYZ. What are these two angles? Oh, what is the name of the angle? Not the measure. Y, لا, XYW. Bravo. So XYW and what? and WYZ. WYZ. Now, XYZ. What is the measure of the angle XYZ? No, XYZ from the question. What is the measure of XYZ? 140 equals. What is the measure of WYZ? WYZ. What's the measure of it? From the question. It's 80. WYZ, it's 80. Plus what? The angle of XYW. And the measure of the angle XYW, I don't know it. Thank you, Yasmin. Now, Nada. Yes, Nada. So here Yasmin told us that the measure of the angle XYZ is the measure of the angle XYW plus the measure of the angle WYZ. Okay, so what is the measure of the angle XYW? Before that, from here. What is the measure of XYW? No, see? Minus 80. Minus 80. Yeah. So what is the measure of the XYW? It's going to be? Wait. 180. Just a minute. 140 minus 80 is? How 54? It's 60. There's no another way in subtraction, Nida. Okay, so the measure of XYW is 60. Now, but this is what I want. I want the value of X. How I will find the value of X? Actually, you say that if this is 80, this will be 60. So in numbers, the measure of the angle XYZ is 60. And in expressions, what is the measure of XYZ? XYZ, sorry. I'm so sorry. XYW is 60. And XYW is 2x plus 6. At the other thing. Just a minute. No. Continue here. Now, the measure of XYW, it's 60, and it is 2x plus 60. What you have to do next? And you have to put them in an equation. 60. Yeah, 60 equals. Then, bravo. 60 minus 6. 54 equals 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So what's the value of x? 27. So this will be the correct one. And did you get the same answer? It's okay. Is it clear, girls? I know it's hard one, but I want you to, yeah. See, now from here, XYW is 2x plus 6. It's given from the question. Okay, see now. What is the measure of the angle XYW? And bravo. So, you know, all of us know that. Okay, if A equals B, just a minute, please. If A equals B and B equals C, can I say that A equals C? And if you say like if 2 and like this one here, if you say that 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 plus 3 is 4, can I say that 2 plus 2 is the same as 1 plus 3? Yes, because we have 4 at the same time in both situations. Here we have the same. XYW is 60 and XYW is 2x plus 6. So can I say that 2x plus 6 is equal 60? Yes. So then now 2x plus 6 here. So minus 6. Minus 6. So 54 equals 2x. Then x is multiplied by 2. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So the value of x is 27. Yes?